Hi, I'm Chase with John's Waterproofing, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of doing an annual maintenance on your waterproofing system. After 1 year of our waterproofing system being installed, we'll give you a call to set up an annual maintenance. And what we do during this annual maintenance, and the reasons why we do this annual maintenance, is pumps can get built up with debris, mud and sediment, and pumps can wear down without the customer even knowing. During our annual maintenances, what our service tech does is he does a full perimeter crawl on the inside of the crawl space. Goes through everything that we've installed, so we'll actually flood test the system to make sure it can handle those really hard rains. So we'll use a hose to flood test the sump pump, use a hose to flood test the drainage system to make sure it stays dry and healthy even during those worst rainstorms. Once the service tech is done servicing the inside of the crawl space or basement, we'll also do an outside inspection. Outside inspection involves looking for cracks in the foundation, making sure all the rain drains and all the water that comes from the roof is getting away from the house properly. And then they'll go over the system with the customer and make sure that we find problems before they find the homeowner. If there's anything wrong with our system, we'll fix it there as well. Performing regular maintenances year after year will prevent from any damages happening during those heavy rains. Give John's Waterproofing a call to keep your homes dry, stable, and healthy.